Hey guys, William Murfitt here, and this is going to be the final instalment of my IMM videos. This is going to be part 3. If you haven't checked out the first parts, go and click on this link up here. I'll take you to parts 1 and parts 2. Going to be part 3, as I say. There's going to be the Saturday and then the Sunday. We left on the Sunday afternoon, so there's not a huge deal of footage that are going to be taken part, but I've got enough on there so that hopefully you'll make a half decent video. So on the Saturday, we basically, the weather stopped a lot of things. Some of the guys were going to go down to the Haynes Museum, which obviously got postponed because of the main tent getting blown down and the site being completely shut down for an hour or so. In the evening we had a fancy dress contest, which was just very, very funny. And then on the Sunday we had a YouTuber's Q&A, or a little meet and greet, which went down really well. So the cars managed to get inside out the rain, which was phenomenal. Loads of people came up and said hello. From there's a guy from Guatemala, Juan, so hello Juan. There's a couple from Japan, which were just amazing. They flew all the way over here. A few guys from Ireland. So yeah, if I said hello to you and you come up and say hello to me, thank you so much. It really, really, just quite astonishing that this little Mini being built in my garage has sort of got so much attention. So it's brilliant. Thank you so much. So anyway, enjoy the content. I hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoy this, and I will see you all soon. Take it easy. Oh hey, what a machine.
I knew there were going to be cameras.
So from all of us,
yes,
congratulations.
Yes.
And we have your gift card. It is sitting here. I did my best to keep it dry. It's difficult, but there you go.
Well done.
So they know all about you and B&L Mini, so if you call them or go up there, anything, they'll set you up. Yes. So do you want to tell us a little bit about your car?
Oh, which one?
Well,
So many.
What's your favorite one?
My yellow one.
Yeah.
So we spent 2 years rebuilding it for the Riviera run down to Cornwall
Okay.
in May, I think. We've done the only one that didn't have any problems. So.
Very nice. Congratulations on that. That's a feat. I think everybody's had a little bit something when their cars go wrong. Yeah. He left the parking brake on with mine. Handbrake. Yeah.
Handbrake hard.
Why would you say that?
Handbrake hard.
Why would you even say that?
So, so what do you think you'll use the gift card for?
Probably front end for our equipment estate.
That's exciting.
Very
He's probably pretty excited to see that. He took some pictures to us.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. If we can update everybody. Well, thank you. You're welcome. Keep going. Awesome. Thanks.
Cole, how's the trip to the UK going?
It's swimming.
Yeah, we're just queuing for some food, and it's got a bit wet.
Just a little.
I mean, this is...
I hope your camera is waterproof.
Not really.
I was going to put this on under, but I don't think I can get it under.
Nope. If in doubt, force it. By magic, it stopped raining! Yay!
I think my passport, everything is okay because it's...
This is get off. This is amazing. A barbecued chicken burrito. Wow. Oh dear. Hey, is it? Is that legit? Real tattoo?
Murfitt.
Oh my god. Wow.
4 hours of tattooing for work. Could I have a Euro fancy, please?
Sunday morning. Last night was an absolute blast, and far too much singing, that's for sure. My voice has gone, but what a fantastic night it was. Everyone had a real good time. Made some new friends. The mini YouTube community had like what appeared to be like a VIP area, which was just great. All the guys were there having a right laugh. So I'm heading back to the tent now. The sun is shining temporarily, so I'm going to try and get my tent down before it rains, and then enjoy the rest of the day before we head back to Wales. IMM 2019. It's been fun.
That's a good idea.
Hold this. Try again.
Hold on, right.
Around as well.
Oh, I need a new spine. Take the handbrake off. Go get some of these.
That's it. IMM 2019 is over. We are going home, and hopefully the drive home will be as clean sailing as the drive here. Fingers crossed. It's a long way, like 5 hours or so, and yeah, it's been a blast. I've lost my voice too many times, but now it's time to go home and get some sleep. So I'll possibly film a little bit on the way home, but yeah, what an adventure. 5 minutes into the drive, and we're stopped. back home from one heck of a weekend. Oh my god, I've never had that much fun going away to a car show before. So I'm gonna get inside. I'm gonna go see my wife. I'm gonna chill out tonight, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow, having had a shower, a decent night's sleep, and just give you a rundown of the show because so good, so good. Right, see you guys in the morning.